How to delete trip history in Uber. Deleting trip history in Uber is quite easy and simple. So in today's video, I will show you the easiest way to delete trip history in Uber. Just what you need to do is, before proceeding, you have to have the Uber account or Uber application installed on your device. If not, you can go ahead and open the Play Store or App Store and you can search for Uber. So the app will look like this. You need to tap on install button and install the app. Once the app will install, you have to launch the app and open it by tapping on the open button. So make sure you have already installed and created account on your Uber. If not, and log into your account. So in order to delete the trip history in Uber, you have to select the account icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get access on this page, you have to select the activity, or depending upon your device, instead of activity you will see the trip icon or the trip button. You can simply select the activity or trip option, where you will see all the trip history of Uber. So if you have any trip history, it will be shown on this activity page. Unfortunately, I don't have any recent activity or any trip history here, so it is not showing. If you have any, you can simply tap on that any particular trip history that you want to delete, and once it open, you will see the delete option, where you have to simply tap on delete option and your trip history will be successfully deleted in Uber. So that is how we easily delete trip history in Uber. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, share and comment down below. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel, press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.